So over here you can see that I have these photos uploaded right here, and let's say I want to view those photos. In that case, you can see that in the home page you simply view them as thumbnails. But if you want to view some of them, then simply click on it and then it gets full screen. So now over here on the left hand side you can see that you got this arrow right here, which allows you to actually go ahead and navigate out to the photos as well according to how you want. You can also go ahead and use left and right arrow keys to navigate. Apart from that, you can see that this is the photo. You can go around and let's say for example zoom and click and drag to view the details of the photo right here as well. You even see the little area right here as a preview window that you can utilize to actually go ahead and zoom out right here just like this, and then you can see that you can click and drag around to view out the details as you can see right here. So this is what you have as you can see right here, and you can even utilize the arrow keys to actually go up and down right here, and then go ahead and zoom out once more to actually get the left and right arrow keys right here just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with viewing of photos and videos right here. You can also go around and let's say for example if you have a particular video right here, like let's say for example this one, then what happens is that it'll load a video player right there. So you can actually see that there's this video player right here just like this, as you can see in Google Photos. So you can go ahead and choose a quality that you want to play the video back in as well. So you can go for lower quality as well and even view it full screen right here right from Google Photos. So that is how you can view photos and videos inside of Google Photos. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.